Okay.
Yeah.
So we're starting. So, and we have a term for this. We call it the DMMI, the desired monthly minimum income. So when we're doing retirement planning for clients, first thing that we're going to do is not take a look at their wage replacement ratio. We're going to ask them, hey, what is your desired amount of income that you're going to want to be able to transition out of the practice and basically match pretty close to the amount of income that you're making right now. Safe?
Yep.
Okay.
Safe.
So and now we do that for a number of reasons, but let's say that, and what's the number you get from most people on that number? I know it varies based upon the size of their practice.
I would say on average 20,000 a month.
Yeah, I was going to say it goes between
about 240 a year.
Yeah, it goes between 20,000 and 40,000 on some people. Okay, so I'm going to take the higher one. I'm going to take the 40,000, right? Because that's a big number. 40,000 a month. Now the goal
480 a year.
Yeah, so the goal would be to not have to dip into your principal on most of these investments that you have, correct? So our target is so that people aren't necessarily having to dip into the principal of their investments to be able to satisfy their DMMI. Okay, that's a very important distinction, because most of the time when you're doing retirement planning, most people are going to say, hey, we're going to start taking money out of your investments, of course, and you're not putting it back in. So it's going to decline. You're going to start seeing your values go down because of that, because you're taking more than what it's actually earning in most cases.
Yep.
Okay. So you have the threat there of outliving your money. Now, okay, we already argued about the safe withdrawal rate and that. Yeah. I get that. So, but I mean, do you even need to take the risk? Not really. Not if you have the right amount of income targeted so that it comes in just like clockwork every single month. So we're taking 480,000 as the amount of income that someone's going to need.